How to fix Redmi Note 13 won't send MMS messages. So let's start the video. First of all, check your network connection will works properly or not. After checking your network connection, then turn on mobile data. For turning on your mobile data, swipe down to your control center. Now here you can turn on or off your mobile data. After turning on mobile data, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And swipe up to power off your device and then turn back on. After that, open settings and then click on apps. And then click on manage apps. On top right corner, you can see these three dots. Now click on it and then click on other settings. Go back and search here messages. Now click on storage. Now here you can clear messages storage. After clear your messages storage, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on more connectivity options. And then click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now here you can reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.